Welcome to Beyond the Megapixel, the anatomy of a perfect mobile camera. We're going to delve into what truly makes a mobile camera excel, moving past the common focus on just megapixels. The megapixel count is often a myth. A large 12-megapixel sensor can easily outperform a smaller 108-megapixel sensor. Remember, great photos require light, not just pixels. The true foundation of a great camera is the sensor size. The sensor converts light into electrical signals. A larger surface area collects more light, which results in clean, sharp images with high dynamic range, even in low light. The aperture is the gatekeeper of light. A smaller f number, like f/1.6, signifies a wider opening than f/2.2, allowing significantly more light to reach the sensor. This wider aperture is crucial for low-light photography and natural background blur, known as bokeh. In the race against time, stabilization is key. Longer shutter times capture more light, but amplify hand tremors, causing blur. Optical image stabilization, or OIS, is the hardware solution that physically moves the lens to counteract these movements. We should demand the gold standard, OIS. OIS is a hardware mechanism that delivers clean, sharp images and smooth cinematic video. This contrasts with electronic image stabilization, or EIS, which is a software solution that can result in grainier, blurrier results and an artificial jello effect. A complete camera system features multiple lenses. The main lens, with the largest sensor, is the low-light workhorse. The ultra-wide lens captures broad scenes, and the telephoto lens uses physical glass for true optical zoom. The brains of the camera lie in computational photography, such as smart HDR. This feature merges multiple instant exposures, capturing both shadow and highlight detail to create a perfectly balanced final image. Night mode is a sophisticated process that engineers the dark. It captures multiple long exposure shots, uses AI to perfectly align the frames, and then suppresses grain to brighten the scene, transforming low-light shots. Speed and precision are vital. Premium phones offer zero shutter lag, capturing the subject where it is, thanks to technology like phase detection autofocus, or PDAF, which focuses instantaneously. Modern mobile cameras also offer professional video capabilities. This includes 4K video at 60 frames per second for smooth motion, 10-bit HDR for rich colors, and gimbal-like motion, combining OIS and EIS to eliminate walking shakes. The perfect camera is a symphony of mobile photography, balancing physics, optics, and silicon. Excellence is not defined by a single number, but by the perfect balance of hardware, optics, and software working in unison. Here is your buyer's checklist. Look past megapixels and demand a physically large main sensor. Require a wide aperture, aiming for f/1.8 or lower. And ensure optical image stabilization is built into the main lens. The best camera is the one in your pocket, provided it has the hardware to back up the hype.